Wagwan people, welcome back again to another video. Jamaican Guide here. Today we will be looking at the rights of a Jamaican citizen. Yes, I'll be telling you your rights. So if you're a Jamaican citizen like myself, then you need to pay attention. So stick around and I'll be reading you your rights right after this. Okay, so these are not really all of the rights right here, but these are the most relevant ones, and these would apply to the average Jamaican who has not done anything wrong in society. Okay, so here we go. Every Jamaican has the right to freedom of peaceful assembly and association, the right to freedom of movement, to enter Jamaica, and of every person lawfully in Jamaica to move around freely throughout Jamaica, to reside in any part of the island, and to leave Jamaica. The right to equality before the law, the right to equitable and humane treatment by any public authority in the exercise of any function, the right to freedom from discrimination on the ground of being male or female, race, place of origin, class, color, religion, or political opinions. The right to everyone to protection from search of the person and property, respect for and protection of private and family life and privacy of the home, and protection of privacy of other property and of communication. The right to freedom of thought, conscious belief, and observance of political doctrines. Okay, so bear in mind, people, even though you have these rights, some of these rights can be withdrawn from you at any time. Understand, just like how in when you have a state of emergency, we as the citizens will lose some of our rights, and the security forces can just do certain things. Yes, at some point in time these rights can be withdrawn from you. So even though you can move around freely without being searched and stuff like that, sometimes you lose these rights to the police officers. Yeah, because them can just come up and say give me a search, or you understand. Yeah, but where your property is concerned, some of the time, you know, well, this is Jamaica regardless, but some of the time them supposed to come with them search warrant, or they must come with them search warrant all the time, but some of the time them not really come with them search warrant. But may you know the kind of country we're living in. Yes, so we are gonna continue still. Okay, moving on. The right to freedom of expression, the right to seek, receive, distribute, or disseminate information, opinions, and ideas through any media, the right to enjoy a healthy and productive environment, free from the threat of injury or damage from environmental abuse and degradation of the ecological heritage. The right of every citizen of Jamaica who is qualified to be registered as an elector for elections to the House of Representatives to be so registered, and who is so registered to vote in free and fair elections. The right of every citizen of Jamaica to be granted a passport and not to be denied or deprived thereof except by due process of law. The right to protection from torture or inhumane or degrading punishment or other bad treatment, and the right to freedom of the person. Alright, this one is for the kids now. The rights of every child to such measures of protection as are required by virtue of the status of being a minor or as part of the family, society, and state, who is a citizen of Jamaica, to publicly funded tuition in a public educational institution at the pre-primary and primary levels. Okay, so that is it, guys. Hope this information will be of use to some of you. Hope you like the video. If you do like the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great new future content. So alright, until next time, stay safe, people.